everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another knitting technique slash tip tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to cast on without a slip knot. So if you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago I did a tutorial on how to start a crochet chain without using a slip knot, and it's really not that big of a deal. It just boils down to personal preference and how you like your project to look in the beginning. Usually more nitpicky people will use this method, and that's totally fine. So today I'm just going to be hopping on real quick to show you how to do that. To get started, you are going to create a loop like so. You want to make sure that your working yarn is to the back and that your tail that you cut is towards the front. You are then going to put your thumb and your pointer finger in that loop and use the rest of your fingers in your hand to grab the yarn like I have here. You're then going to open up your thumb and your forefinger so that you're creating something of a slingshot. Then you're going to take your knitting needle, you're going to place it on top, you're going to dip down underneath and turn towards your thumb to get back on top of your string here in the middle. Okay, and it forms a twist at the bottom of the needle. And now from here you can simply get into position and start casting on as normal. And all this does is really just eliminates that little knot at the beginning of your row and allows for a smoother edge than you would normally have if you had cast on with a slip knot. And that's really all there is to it. It's nothing, like I said, it's no real big deal, but it is a method that people like to use frequently in their work for those smooth edges. I hope this video was helpful for you guys today. If so, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future knitting tip tutorials from me. I typically post knitting tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. If you're looking for more from me, you can head over to my website and sign up for the newsletter so you get updated whenever there's new updates regarding Infiniti Crafting Co. So that goes from my helpful maker blogs to just updates with the handmade shop or Hey Crafterpreneur. Speaking of Hey Crafterpreneur, that is my members club. You can kind of think of it like a Patreon, but for my knitting and crochet and central knitting machine patterns. Members get full access to all of those, including the written instructions and step-by-step video tutorials. There's also a members forum, so if you need support from me, that is one of the best ways to get in contact with me so that I can help you through your pattern problems. It's a great way to support this channel outside of YouTube, and so if that sounds like a cool thing to you, I would ask that you head over there today and sign up. I would appreciate it so much. Alright, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy making!